Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my bedroom, my house, and my home, and to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be creating my 2025 bingo card. This is my 2025 gold bingo card. Shout out to the girlies on TikTok that sprung up with this one, and to be honest, I'm really liking it. If you do not know, the game of bingo is a game where multiple people have cards and they have numbers on them. And there's one central person who is bringing out numbers out of a container, out of a box, calling out these numbers, and then you with your bingo card, if they call out your number, you mark it off. If you get 5 in a row, you win a prize. That's called bingo. What the TikTok girlies did is that you make a bingo card and you actually put your goals on it. And I decided that for 2025, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not just going to have this bingo card. What I'm also going to do is I am going to put together like little steps that I will need to take, little actions I need to do that'll help me achieve these goals. I have already filled out the first row of my bingo card. Get 5 tattoos, make $1,000 on YouTube, get into a relationship, save 5 million naira, have a rave. These are quite insane goals. Like, I'm just looking at them now and I'm like, wow, I know I can do them. I didn't write out these goals just because. I wrote out these goals because I know deep within me, if I work hard, I can make it. Get 5 tattoos, honestly, is not really that hard. I think my issue is that I never get the tattoo because in my head, I'm like, oh man, that means I can't swim for 2 weeks. But then that's how I did all of last year. That's how I was thinking. And I only went swimming like a couple of times. So I actually need to like get that. Make $1,000 on YouTube it's tied to my love of the platform and tied to how much I want to grow on this platform. So I already know like to make $1,000 on YouTube, I need to identify the money making videos, learn what made them make me money, remake some of those videos, get creative and make a series based on those videos. So that's what I mean by the steps and the actions I'm going to take to achieve these goals. For getting into a relationship, I put yourself out there, go on dates, say yes more, be more open-minded but shine your eye, be honest. Save 5 million naira, creative budget and stick to it, review based on T-Pain policies, set monthly savings goal, have emergency fund. I want to have a rave so badly. I already know the lineup but I'm not revealing the lineup. I know I'm going to have a rave either as my 35th birthday or as an after party to my wedding. Now, I'm not in a relationship. Maybe if I get in a relationship this year and I get married this year, which is not very possible, it would probably happen on my 35th birthday, which is this year. I need to put my ducks in a row to make sure that this rave happens. Prepare a budget, find a location. Would I want to book out the entire club for my birthday? I could do that. Reach out to DJs, invite people. So the next thing on my bingo card, so I want to travel in Africa, I want to travel abroad, I want to complete a course or certification, I want to take 10 pole dancing classes, and I want to plan, save, and go on a solo trip. I don't know if you can tell, I really want to leave the country this year. I need to leave Lagos. I need to go travel Africa and travel abroad and plan and host a trip, the same kind of vibe, because that's kind of the same action points, I would say. Pick location and prepare budget. Reach out to hotels for potential room sponsorship. I have some influence, I have some small internet clout. It'd be nice for me to just reach out and be like, hey, I will create a video for you. Save up. Actually, the first thing I need to do that I have not done, telling on myself, is I need to do my passport. I have not done my passport. My passport expired last year and I'm supposed to get it renewed. I'm just going to duplicate that and remove Africa and make it travel abroad. Since I've gotten my new job, I'm not sure what certification will work for me, but what I am thinking is becoming a chartered member of digital marketing or a chartered member of marketing. Belong to one of those societies. But to join those organizations, you have to have like certain certifications, which is why like if I get a certification this year, next year I can join an organization. Do research on courses. Yeah, I just need to know what courses. Inform work, because I think at work I have this thing where I can get educational stuff and they'll pay me back. Register and study. Pass your classes. I said this last year. I didn't do it, but I have found a place. Yes, there's a place I found. I think it's called Fun Flirty Fitness. I'm gonna take pole dancing classes this year. I've already followed them on Instagram. I'm already on their mailing list, so yeah, I'm going to do it. So I need to put some money aside, save money, and go to the class. This one is very, very easy. I'm just going to copy the travel abroad. I think this solo trip can be local. I really want to go to IITA. I would love to take like a weekend. So a trip to Ibadan, just taking the weekend off would be amazing. Next thing we have, host a dinner or game night, hit my goal weight, buy 20 pieces of clothing, gain 10K on a social media platform, grow my hair to a full afro. I think I said in my last video that I want to actually do this. I want to host like a game night, want to invite my friends over, play games. I think my place is small but cozy and just has the right kind of vibe. I've envisioned that so many times and I think I can get it done this year. What would I need to do to get it done? I have friends. I don't need to make new friends to do this. Just simply invite people over, tell them BYOB, pick a day at a time, plan menu. I do want to cook. I mentioned in the past how I'm very proud of my fitness journey and I'm very proud of my body. I actually went to work out at the gym today. I usually have a problem with working out at the gym because I don't like people seeing me. I don't like being perceived. I know, right? I'm here on the internet, but in real life, I do not like being perceived. So I'm using the gym as an opportunity to get over myself. I'm also using it as an opportunity to build the fattest ass that's possible. There is this TikTok sound, earth-shattering bunda.
Don't get it twisted, because the only reason I work out 10% is for the mental health. That 90% is to create the most dangerous, illegal, earth-shattering bunda. I'm talking about chicks clapping at 30 kilometers per minute.
And it's very possible because I have genetically thick thighs, so I can really go ham. Work out consistently. I can't spell. Eat a protein-rich diet. Cheat meals are fine. I'm not the kind of person that looks at the scale a lot. I'm a looking at the mirror and a body kind of person. How do I feel? How's my body moving? How do I look? I don't really care about the numbers on the scale. That really doesn't tell me anything. But if I have such a specific goal like this, I think it would be good for me to, take some measurements. Just checking on my weight bit to bit. Buy 20 pieces of clothing. I know exactly what I mean. I just want to revamp my wardrobe. I want to revamp my wardrobe beginning of the year. And I also want to do third quarter. I realize I do not have clothes for in the middle. I have work clothes and I have party clothes. I don't have randomly going shopping clothes. I'm tired of wearing my boo-boo to the supermarket and I only have one boo-boo, so if I want to be doing that I need multiple boo-boos. I want to also diversify my wardrobe a little bit, not with color. I actually want to go deeper into the black thing. First, I'm going to have to go through everything and donate, make a list of what you need. My cousin owns a fashion line, Plush Brands. I just get all of my clothes from her. The clothes are affordable and really well done. Budget and pick what is necessary. To be honest, I know the one I want to reach 10K on YouTube. That's what I'm gonna do. For the whole of January, I'm trying to post one short per day and I'm experimenting with timing. I'm experimenting with the type of content because I really want to crack the YouTube algorithm, and I think the way to crack it is by showing up every day. Unfortunately, I cannot show up every day on long form content, but I can show up every day on shorts. So I'm trying to figure out what does the algorithm like, and I'm going to continue feeding it. I'm going to be bringing back the foundation reviews. I'm going to be doing a corporate girly kind of series. I also want to share more about working in communications and marketing. Research, this one I've already done. I've already done a bunch of research. Film everything consistently. Experiment. I want to grow my hair out. Last year January I cut my hair because I was tired of having hair. I was just like, I'm done. But this year I want to grow my hair, and that is to do braids. I'm just gonna do braids all the time. I'm gonna do braids one month and then do like a natural hairstyle the other month. So do low manipulation hairstyles, do braids to retain length, get a good treatment, a good wash treatment every 2 months. And then the ones we have left are make 12 recipes, travel to 2 states for a rave, speak at 3 events, finish decorating my home, get solar or inverter. I really want to up my cooking game. This year I want to be like Martha Stewart in the kitchen. I am first gonna do research, fun, recipes on Pinterest. Make a budget because these things cost money. Pick a recipe. Make a shopping list. Pick a day and cook. I feel like this is one of those ones I'm like, I could go to Ibadan again for Red Light Fashion Room. There's also something in Abuja called Motion. That sounds fun. I wonder what's happening in Port Harcourt. Research other states, plan and make a budget, ask about accommodation, pay ahead, and pay for comfort. I have reached the age where I need a bed. The Red Light Fashion Room, they were like, oh, you could get a room, but we're leaving the next day. I'm like, yeah, that is nice, but I need a place to put my stuff. I need a place that I know I can go back and sleep. I'm not about to sleep in the back of somebody's car. I'm not about to stay awake, sitting by the side of a building cold with mosquitoes because I don't have a room to sleep in. No. This is actually one of those ones I'm not sure what to do. I guess tell people, let them know at work I want to speak. Network more? Maybe? I think that's what I'll do. I'll put network more. This is funny because there's a piece of my house I've not completed, and that's my living room, specifically around this area right here. I want to get a mirror. I want to get a shoe rack. That place needs to be redone. I want to get a shelf. I already have it. I already have it. Budget and talk to carpenter. The people that did my couch, I'll probably ask them to do the mirror. Get quote, save up. I have serious electricity issues. In fact, I'm scared about talking about it because they could just take lights now. I really this year really need to figure out my light issues because it's been so bad. I've complained so much, and this is the year I'm going to stop complaining. I need to stop complaining. I just need to sort it out. Budget. Oh, first I need to get a reading. I hear that's what you need to do before you get solar. You need someone to come to your house and tell you like how much watt everything actually is. And then when you get that done, they will not actually tell you like, okay, you should actually get these amounts of batteries to like power what you have. Research and find a good company. Get price and save up or do payment plan. All right, so we only have 5 more left, and they are have a piece of content go viral, start Sims YouTube channel, get a new camera, publish 12 foundation reviews. Usually these things have like an empty square, like a free square. I think that's what will be the center square will be the free square. All the social media networks have kind of mushed virality because what's viral on TikTok is not viral on Instagram. What's viral on Twitter is not viral on Threads. For me, what viral means is have one piece of content just blow. Just leave my immediate people, leave my immediate audience, and just fly and go. To get viral content, you actually don't need to do anything except just be posting. You never know which one will go viral. There's no rhyme, there's no reason. I have gotten posts that have gone viral before, and none of them were thought out. I honestly was just posting and people liked it. A lot of people liked it and it went viral. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it before, but I'm obsessed with Sims. I love playing Sims and I love watching Sims YouTube channel. And a part of me was like, it would be cool if we had a Nigerian or African Sims channel. Because all the Sims channel I watch are mostly white girls. I haven't actually seen a lot of black Sims channels. Or the black Sims content I usually like consume is on Twitter, and I'm really not liking the vibe of Twitter anymore. So I thought to myself, it would be nice if there's a black girl doing that, so I would like to do that. I know like doing that is gonna add an extra layer of hard work. Starting a YouTube channel in this big year of 2025 is not easy at all. And I actually think the first thing I need to do is like get my setup right, because I need a good setup. Film content in advance, set up channel, and start posting. I have been obsessed with the new DJI Pocket Osmo 3. I have been watching videos, I've been staring at it. Research what you want. Don't worry, I'm already in that stage. Get price, save up. That would be amazing to get back in my foundation review bag. This one is quite easy. Identify what foundations to review, buy foundations, set up camera, and film videos. I want to get back in my beauty bag. And that is my 2025 bingo card. Going through all of that and coming up with the steps I need to take to achieve these goals. These very daunting, very lofty goals, to be honest, was so fun. But you know, sometimes you need to have stuff like this written down so that you can have it in your face. I'm gonna get it printed, and in my next video you guys are gonna see it all printed out. I'm gonna have it like a little booklet. Thank you all so much for joining and watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please not forget to write down your goals to the subscribe button so you can join this family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to break down your goals into actionable steps to the notification button so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to be patient and be kind to yourself, to the like button, so that you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.